it's time to upgrade the annoying charge pad in the Rivian. We have been using USB cables because this cell phone charger pad here in the Rivian sucks. But we have a great solution today. This here is the cell phone charge pad in our Rivian R1S. This is a Gen 1 Rivian, but I heard the Gen 2 Rivians, even though they look a little bit different, they got a rib here in the middle so the cell phone can't slide all over the place. But still, I think people have been complaining about these just not charging. And in the Gen 1 here, these definitely do not work with any freaking phone. This is unbelievable. This sucked since the beginning, and Rivian doesn't do anything about it. So we initially got cables and just had the cables routed through these slots, plugged them in down there, came through the slots here, and we used to do that. But it kind of got tiring, and well, we found that Hansshow has a replacement for this crappy pad here that looks really nice and even has an ambient light around it to match the ambient lights that you can have on the doors. So, and today we're gonna rip this out and we're going to install the Hansshow replacement. This is the box that the Hansshow Rivian wireless charger comes in, the new charging pad, and everything that you need is in here. You can get the instructions either here by scanning the QR code there and get a video instruction. You can contact them. All the info is right here. The pad itself is in here, and we got a little bag with the tools. As always, Hansshow products come with the necessary tools. It's only this little pry bar that we need. And let's see if we can get this out of here. There we go. And you can see this looks a little bit different. It's got the rib in the middle, and so the cell phones won't slide from side to side. But you also have additional outlets, USB outlets. There is two USB-C and the USB-A on here, so you don't have to go find them down in there. I mean, it's, I don't know, they're way down there, and you would have to route the cables through here if you need that, which is kind of inconvenient. So, but well, we can leave this open. So we're gonna rip this here out, and this will then go in its place, and that should be a relatively super simple installation today. So first we gotta rip this off here, and you can just grab that. If you have trouble grabbing it, you could use this tool here and kind of get under there, but usually you can grab this relatively easy, and you just rip it up. It's just a rubber mat that covers basically the actual charger that is under here. And then there's got to be some tabs here. There's multiple tabs that need to be bent back, and that's where this tool probably could come in handy. So bending it back like this. There's another one over here, and we got one here in the middle. So, but that kind of requires two hands, because I have to use one hand for the tool and then another hand to actually kind of pull up here on this. You can actually see right now, I can move this a little. So it's just held in place by the three tabs right there. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna grab it kind of right here, and I'm pushing back a little and up, and so I move this up, and see, I can feel it on hook. There we go, and it comes up just like that. So it's not hard to do. And then we can lift this out, and we're plugged in here. There's a little tab right here that you need to press down. Let's see here, there we go, and then we can wiggle this out, and so here we go. That is all there is to it. This is pretty darn heavy, actually. All right, so we got this one out. Now it's time to put this one in. Pretty simple. As you can see, there's these three in the back here, and there are three slots right there, there, And there we have these 3 slots. That's where these little things go into. No problem, that just slides in. And then in the front you can see it has the 3 clips that will automatically then clip in the front here. We just got to make sure we do plug it in first. Here you can see the plug. That's where we just plug in the cord that we unplugged from the other one. We just plug it in there, and then we push that charger down in there. Make sure you push it far enough in until you hear the click, and then pull lightly back on the cables, on the wires, to see if it really did click in. Now we're just pushing it down. Gotta find the slots back here. There. And then you push it back. You heard the click. Now we're pushing it down, and you heard the clicks in the front. And here it is. It's already installed. That's all there is to it. This is a super simple install. You can do this in, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, real easy. Anyone can do it. The only tool you need is this little pry bar here, if you even really need it. I mean, you could even get those pins undone or these clips undone by hand, but the tool comes with it, so might as well use it. So now here we got a new charging pad in the Rivian, so now we just have to test it and see if it actually works. So this mat also comes off real easy. You can just kind of grab it with your finger, peel it up, and so you can see there is these 2 little tabs, and they slide in there. And then we got these tabs in the front here, and you can see there's the 4 slots there. So you just slide that in. I don't know if I can do it with one hand here. These back here are a little harder to get, but in the front it's really easy. You just press it down. This one went in, and for this one I might need a second hand here. Yeah, I need the second hand to get this back in. But so you can take this out for cleaning. So this is super easy, not unlike the original, wherever it was here. The original, that was, you can see it's pretty dirty because it was basically, there was some tape in there to hold it on to. Tape here, tape there to hold it onto that. But this comes out so you can clean it as well. And yeah, so now let's test it. Well, here we got my cell phone. There's my daughter. She was hunting. That's been a few years ago. Let's see here. Up, there we go. Charging. Let's throw it over here. And it's still green up there. Maybe I should have waited a little longer. There we go. And there we go. It's charging. Perfect. So also there's an ambient light function around here. So let's close this. And so then it actually would look like this here, right? So you would throw your phone down there, and you got this little rib in the middle so the cell phone doesn't slide around, and you can neatly place the 2. These here are just little knobs basically, I guess to prevent a phone from sliding up onto the cables there, from keeping it to slide too far forward, I guess. That's what I want to say. But yeah, we got a USB-C here, a USB-C there, and a USB-A there that you can use as well. And then we have this little button over here, and we can press that, and now you can see red. What else we got here? Green, which is what my wife has actually for the ambient lighting there on the doors. What other colors we got here? There we go. Yellow, purple, blue. Well, oh, orange, greenish, bluish. Oh, now it's, oh, look at that. We even got I wonder if you can see this here. It's like a running light with all colors. Not sure if there you can see it. So you can even have that like a rainbow or whatever. And then turn it off again just by pressing this little set button. So there is white. Oh, this is like a red. There's green, so probably leave it green for my wife. My wife likes the green ambient lighting, so all right, well, that's as simple as that. And so pretty super simple install. Anyone can do this DIY install, 5 to 10 minutes. Let's throw the phone on there, and there it's charging. So this is super cool. Yeah, highly recommend it. so this product here is from Hansshow. We do have multiple other products from Hansshow. They have a lot of different stuff, so you want to go check them out. We have a super duper light bar from Hansshow on our Cybertruck. Oh, I'm pointing over here. Actually, the Model S sits here. Cybertruck sits further back. But we have super duper light bar from Hansshow. We have other products from Hansshow. Go down below in the description. There's a link. Click the link. There's also a discount code. Use our discount code when you order a product from Hansshow. Like I said, Hansshow has other products. They have great products. We are really happy with all the products that we got from Hansshow. So, and yeah, we like this, and I like actually the illumination on it. It looks kind of neat. So, and I like that this new one now has this divider here, and we can easily take this mat out here for cleaning. So much better than before. Yeah, again, down below in the description, there is the link, and there's a discount code. Use our discount code at checkout at Hansshow. Well, and if we have other videos, we have other product links down there and videos with Hansshow products, so go check those out as well. Check out the Hansshow website. Like I said, they have lots of stuff for different vehicles, so go check all that out. Well, also give us a thumbs up for this video. Watch our other videos. Give us a thumbs up for all the other videos of ours that you watch. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this charger? Do you think it's better than the Rivian? Do you like the ambient lighting, or is that something you would hate? I don't know. Most people like it. Don't know. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this charger? Do you have a Rivian? What do you think about the Rivian? So leave a comment down below. Let me know. And well, in any event, thank you for watching. Goodbye.